Hey everybody, Michael from Evergreen VoiceOver here. I wanted to show you a quick tip on how to create multiple split files off of one long file. Here I have an IVR gig that I've been doing. This is the main greeting, this is the greeting for the sales department, and this is the greeting for the accounting department. So when my audio is all processed, what I want to do is I want to highlight each section and then create a marker. I can do that by hitting the M key, and you'll see the marker pop up there on the left. I'll do that with all three of these, and I have the ability to rename them if I want to, but if I don't want to, what I want to do next to export them is I highlight them all and click this button here, Export Audio of Selected Range Markers to Separate Files. I select where I want them located and then what kind of file format I want. I click Export, and then I'm done. I hope you found this helpful. Tag a friend, let me know if you like this.